Hello, good morning. My name is Go. I am the COO of Global Airfreight Singapore. I've engaged Gleetrees to do for me the RPA program, Robotic Process Automation. This is part of my digitalization program, whereby I want to bring my company to a higher level of digitalization. So this RPA program becomes the status for our entire digitalization program. And what we want to hope to achieve is to make sure that our processes are being automated in a very big way. Routine processes that requires manpower and so on will be drastically reduced, and I can free up my staff to do more higher value added work. We engage Gleetrees to do two things for us. Firstly is the cost data entry. This is a very routine processes whereby my staff has to key in all the costs and all that into the system, and I don't like it at all. With automation, it will be possible for artificial intelligence and machine learning to be deployed so that from the raw data, either hard copies or is it digitalized copies, it will then go into our systems, which is the KEF systems, in a very automated process using artificial intelligence and machine learning. And that, I believe, will save us a lot of manpower hours. Secondly, we also ask them to automate for us the vendor cost. And that it becomes a very powerful thing because all vendor costs can now go straight into a system without data entry as well. And again, it saves us a lot of manpower hours. I see that there are a lot of benefits in these particular processes. First of all, there will be enhanced accuracy. Human errors will be drastically reduced because in data entry, for example, there will be a lot of wrong inputs, delayed inputs, and so on. In this way, when the robots doesn't sleep, so they will absorb the information through machine learning and then go straight into the system without human intervention. Now, instead of maybe 10 people, I'll just leave one person behind to do all the checkings and so on and so forth. That's a verification process. And I save 9 staff out of the 10. Now, these 9 staff, I can upskill and deploy it somewhere else. In addition, there will be a lot of time savings. A person takes maybe 10 hours to do a job, a particular day. Now, automation can allow you to do in merely about 5 to 10 minutes. So I think there's a lot of productivity gains. Thirdly, of course, from the employee perspective, instead of doing boring, routine jobs, they can now do very high level skills. We have a comprehensive training program where we can upskill all these people into a totally different arena. So there's an overall value added, plenty of value added for the company. And I'm very happy about that. To me, Gleetree is one of my best partners is because of their flexibility and the ability to understand the needs of a local SMB. And we will choose Gleetree anytime over any other bigger brands. Thank you.